we are seeing important questions from mole concept. Today's important question starts from these questions. Which of the following represents larger number of particles? They have given some sums, that is atoms in 1 mole of methane, atoms in zero point 0.5 mole of sulfur trioxide, atoms in zero point 0.5 moles of carbon dioxide, and atoms in 1 mole of carbon monoxide. First and foremost, what is the formula to find out number of particles? Okay, let us find out the number of particles or atoms. Let us keep atoms also, no problem. So, number of particles or atoms equal to number of moles into number of atoms, number of atoms into Avogadro number. That's all. If you know this formula, you are able to find out that number of particles. From that, which is that larger number of particles, easily you can make out. Okay, now first and foremost, here atoms in 1 mole of methane. Here they mention what it is, number of moles into number of atoms into Avogadro number. Number of moles it is 1, and number of atoms methane 4 plus 1, hydrogen 4, CH4 no, hydrogen 4 plus 1, carbon 5. So 5 atoms in Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Right? Okay, now the next one. Atoms in zero point 0.5 mole of sulfur trioxide. By this time, I think you all finished this. Okay, zero point 0.5 into atoms, how many? 3 plus 1, 4. That is sulfur trioxide. Oxygen 3 plus sulfur 1. So that means 4 atoms into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particle. Yes. Next, the third one. Atoms in zero point 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide. Zero point 0.5. That is number of moles into, here what it is, oxygen 2 and carbon 1. That means 3 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Then the last one, here atoms in 1 mole of carbon monoxide. Here what it is, 1 mole into number of atoms, 1 plus 1, 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Now, among these, which is the larger number of particles? Of course, your eyes will fall on the first one. This will be the large number of particles. Hope you're clear with this question. Come on, let us go and find out some other important sums. The next question, same, similar like first question, but something different. Let us find out. Which of the following pairs have the same number of atoms? Come on, let us see that. 16 gram of oxygen and 4 gram of hydrogen. That is second one. 16 gram of O2 and 44 gram of carbon dioxide, 28 gram of nitrogen and 32 gram of oxygen, and 12 gram of carbon and 23 gram of sodium. Here they did not provide the mole, but in that first question they provided that mole. So number of particles or atoms equal to number of moles into number of atoms into Avogadro number. That is the formula we used, right? Yes. So number of particle or number of atoms equal to number of mole into number of atoms into Avogadro number. Na, it's Avogadro number. I hope you know very well. Yes. Now let us find out each and everything. Now in this, number of moles they did not provide. So what is the number of moles formula? Number of moles equal to given mass by molecular mass. Okay. Now number of moles equal to number of moles equal to given mass. Why I'm repeating that formula? No, so you will remember that formula. If you know the formula and concept, you are the genius person to find out all the sums. Okay, number of moles equal to given mass by molecular mass. Molecular mass. Right? Okay, now first and foremost, let us find out the first question. First one, what it is? 16 gram of oxygen and 4 gram of hydrogen. First and foremost, let us find out this. 16 gram of oxygen. So, number of moles we have to find out. Number of atoms, you know very well, that is 2 atoms. Okay, so number of moles. Number of moles equal to given mass by molecular mass. No, so given mass here how much? 16. And oxygen how much? O2 it has mentioned. So that means it is 32. So here what you will get it 0.5 mole. Okay. So 0.5 mole is equal to number of moles. So what is the formula here? Number of particular atoms equal to 0.5 mole into number of atoms how many? 2 into Avogadro number, that is Na. Right? I just keep it. Na it is, I just mentioned, Na it is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Right? Okay. Now that this is the first pair over. Now second pair, 4 grams. 4 grams of hydrogen. So here also number of moles. Number of moles given mass by molecular mass. Now given mass what it is? 4. Molecular mass of hydrogen it is 2. So you will get 2 moles. Right? So what is that formula here to find out number of atoms? So number of atoms equal to number of moles how much? 2 moles into number of atoms, that is also 2, into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Okay. Do you think these both are same? This is 0.5 into 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Whereas here 2 into 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So first option will not be the same pair. Right? Okay, now the second option. Let us see that second one. 16 gram of oxygen, O2. This also, let us find out given mass by molecular mass. 16 by 32. You will get 0.5 mole. So here 0.5 mole into 2, that is number of atoms, into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Right? Okay, this is the second option, first pair. Then second pair, 44 gram of carbon dioxide. 44 grams of carbon dioxide. So here given mass 44, carbon dioxide also 44 only molecular mass. So it's 1 mole. Right? So here 1 into number of moles, 1 into atoms how many? Carbon dioxide 2 plus 1, 3 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. I hope you got an idea. Do you think this both are same? No, this also. It's not the same pair. Okay, now third option. Let us wrap this. I hope you got an idea. These two are not same pair. Okay, now the third and fourth. Let us find out. Third one. 28 gram. 28 gram of nitrogen. 28 gram of nitrogen. Here what it is? Number of moles. Given mass by molecular mass now 28. Here divided nitrogen. Of course molecular mass it is 28. So how many? 1 mole. So what is the formula here? Number of atoms equal to number of moles. 1 into here how many? 2 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. right? 1 mole. Number of moles, it is 1. Right. Now the second one, what it is? Pair of that second one, 32. 32 grams of oxygen. Here, given mass 32, molecular mass 32 gram of oxygen. Right. So 1 mole. Here also 1 mole. So what is that answer here? Number of moles in the number of atoms in the Avogadro number. 1 mole into number of atoms. Here also 2 into Avogadro number. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. I hope you got a clear idea how to find out. Okay. Now, here also 1 into 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. And here also the same 1 into 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Yes, this pair is having same number of atoms. Let us find out the last one also. Here, 12 grams. 12 grams of carbon. Solid or liquid. Let us check it. So here, given mass by molecular mass now. Here, first and foremost, we have to find out the number of moles. So here, 12 gram of carbon given mass divided by molecular mass of carbon. Sorry, here atomic mass of carbon. Right, 12. So here 1 mole. Right. So number of atoms, how to identify number of atoms equal to number of mole into number of atoms into Avogadro number. So here 1 mole into number of atoms also 1 here because it is atom not molecule. This is molecule and this is molecule, whereas here this is atom. So here also 1 into atomic number, what Avogadro number, what it has, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, right? This is the first one. And second one, what it is? 23 gram of sodium. 23 gram of sodium. That is also solid they mentioned. So here given mass 23 gram and molecular mass, sorry, atomic mass of sodium. That's also 23. So you will get 1 mole. Right? So here, what is it? 1. Number of moles equal to 1. In that atom, sodium only 1. So it is not a molecule, it's an atom. Please note that. Here, number of atoms, it is 1. Into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Is it visible? Yes. Okay, now you just check it. These two, 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, and here also 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. No, this also the having same number of atoms. Yes, this 3 and 4 are having that same number of atoms. Hope you got an idea how to identify. Suppose if they are asking number of atoms or number of particles, here, this is the way you have to identify number of mole into number of atoms into Avogadro number. Suppose if they are not providing the number of moles, you are able to identify number of moles given mass by molecular mass. Number of atoms, how many atoms are present? See, in this only one atom they have provided, but here two atoms. Like you should see what it is. Then finally you will get the answer, and formulas are very important. Hope you're clear with this question. Come on, let us go for some more important and interesting question. The next question. 16 gram of oxygen has same number of molecules as in 16 gram of carbon monoxide, 28 gram of nitrogen, 14 gram of nitrogen and 1.0 gram of hydrogen. Now, here number of molecules you have to find out, and after that you have to check the 16 gram of oxygen having that same number of molecules as of these they have given. No, let us find out. First and foremost, number of molecules. Number of molecules equal to number of moles into Avogadro number, right? So number of moles, how to identify? Given mass by molecular mass. I put it here only, Avogadro number. Let us write it. Okay, so this is the formula for finding out the number of molecules. Okay, now first and foremost, 16 gram of oxygen. Let us write it. This is O2. Here, given mass what it is, 16 gram, and molecular mass of oxygen it is 32. Into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Right? This is molecules, right? Not atoms, molecules. So, as you are going for this, you will get 0.5 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So you will get the answer 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Right? Now this is the answer. You have to check other four. Let us find whether it is having a same number. Right. Now this first one, what it is? 16 gram of carbon monoxide. So given mass of carbon monoxide 16, molecular mass of carbon monoxide 28, and Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So here you will get little bit here 0.571 you will get it when you simplify this. Into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So what is the answer you will get it? 3.439 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Check it whether it is correct or not, but it will not be similar, right? Okay, so this answer which is not similar to this. Okay, so first option will not be the same number of molecules. Okay, now second option, is it visible? Yes, second point, it is 28 gram. 28 gram of nitrogen. Here given mass what it is? 28. And the molecular mass of nitrogen it is 28 only. Right? 28. Into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So here 1. So 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. So this will not be the similar, same. So second option also wrong. Now 14 grams. 14 grams of nitrogen. So here given mass it is 14. Molecular mass of nitrogen it is 28. In Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So you will get what it is? 0.5 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. The same we are getting here what it is? 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Right? So this is the correct. Similar it is. Third point it is similar. Same. As if the same thing it is equal. Then the last one. Let us find out the last one also. Fourth one. 1.0 gram of hydrogen. Here 1 gram divided by molecular mass of hydrogen it is 2 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Of course it is of zero point 0.5 only. 0.5 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So what is the answer you will get it? You will get 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Is it visible? Yes. I hope you are clear with this. These two options, it's same, similar. 14 gram of nitrogen and 1 gram of hydrogen having the same number of molecules as if it is having that 16 gram of oxygen. That molecules will be same as it 14 grams of nitrogen and 1 gram of hydrogen. Hope you're clear with these questions. Okay, come on, let us go and identify some more interesting and important sums. The next one, match the column. 88 gram of carbon dioxide, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water, 5.6 liter of oxygen at STP, 96 gram of oxygen and 1 mole of any gas. Here 0.25 mole, 2 mole, 1 mole, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules and 3 mole. Let us match which is the correct one. The first one here 88 gram of carbon dioxide. First one, right? So 88 gram of carbon dioxide, naturally they are asking the number of moles. So number of moles, it is what it is, given mass by molecular mass. Given mass, it is 88 and molecular mass of carbon dioxide, it is 44. So you will get what it is, 2 mole. So 2 moles, the option 1. Right now, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water. Naturally, it is 1 mole. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water. It is 1 mole, right? Right. Now, next one, third one, 5.6 liter of oxygen at STP. In our last session, we have gone through that volume at STP divided by 22.4 liter. How did you get that 22.4 liter? I have given that idea also from ideal gas equation. Yes. Now, 5.6. So, given volume at STP. Now, third one. So given volume at STP, it is 5.6 divided by 22.4 liter. So what is the answer you will get if they mention that STP? So naturally you will get what it is, 0.25 mole. Yes, now this is the third option. Right, now next one, 96 gram of oxygen. So 96 gram of oxygen means what it is, given mass by molecular mass of oxygen. So given mass what it is, 96 gram, and molecular mass of oxygen it is 32. So you will get what is it? What is the answer you will get it? You will get 3 moles, right? 3 moles. So here you will get fourth option. And last one mole of any gas. 1 mole of any gas. Naturally, this is the fifth option. It is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. See, here also 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Here also 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water. Here, actually, in our last session, we have gone through very clearly number of molecules, atoms, ions, or whatever it may be, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Molecules of atoms, ions, number of mole, all that we have mentioned that same. Hope you're clear with this, all these points. Okay. Now, in our next session, we will go through some more interesting and important questions. Thank you for watching.